Hey y'all, I'm Jessica Parker here with your motivational moment. Today we're going to talk about hope. So hope is that feeling of expectation or the desire for something to happen. And for today's scripture reference, we're coming out of John chapter 11, verses 38 through 44. So to summarize, leading up to verse 38, Lazarus has become sick and his family has sent for Jesus to come. However, by the time Jesus got there, Lazarus had died. So as you can imagine, the family's hope was crushed and they didn't think that there was anything more that could be done. But then we have the rest of the story. So Jesus arrives and he goes to the tomb with Lazarus' family, and Jesus asks them to roll away the stone. After praying to God, Jesus calls out Lazarus from the tomb and Lazarus comes out. So we see that Lazarus' family was feeling hopeless, but Jesus still had hope. Jesus' expectation was not in what he could see. His hope was in God. And this is a great example for us to follow. Is there something in your life that you know God told you, but maybe it hasn't happened yet, and you feel like it's a hopeless situation now? I want to encourage you to take heart and don't lose your hope. God is able to revive your hopeless situations, the situations that you may feel are dead, according to God's will. So everyone, hold on to hope. God is still in control and can revive even what you think may be a dead situation. I hope this helps. We'll see you next time.